Hello, I'm Carrie George with CIBN Connect, and right now I'm going to show you how to post your invitation to a summit or to an event that you're doing in groups. And I'm going to show you how to do it in Facebook groups, but the same thing will apply if you're doing this in LinkedIn group or if you're doing this some other group. Even posting on Twitter and other social media channels, you can use the same kind of information. But groups are a little bit unique. I'm going to talk about doing it in a Facebook group. Same thing would work in school or other platforms that are kind of group system related. Okay. So what I'm going to do is share my screen and show you how to do this. I'm going to just add that here and I'm going to bring up a couple of groups. So the thing about groups, if you're going to post in groups, is that you need to know what the rules are, unless you own the group. If you own the group, then you can do whatever you want because it's your group. This is a group that I own. I'm going to start with this, and then I'm going to show you how to do it in groups that you don't own, because if you don't own a group, you need to look at the rules. Make sure that it's allowed for you to make posts of this nature, because if it's not, you don't want to be doing it. Okay, so here is the Bold, Beautiful, and Business group, which I am a member of course, and because I own, and I can come in here and I can actually create a post using these nice little things here. And this is nice and simple and easy. So I can actually pick this. My avatar is already there on Facebook. They like their own stuff on Facebook. So I could make pretty pictures and like in Canva or something and upload them, or I can use their stuff. So I can say, we are having a fabulous, women's, maybe I'll just call it what it is, bold, beautiful, and in business, bold, beautiful, and in business, event, September, and I put 9th to 11th. And then I might say, who wants to come? And maybe I even say for free, like that. By the way, if I'm in a big group where there's lots of traffic moving, if I'm out allowed to make this post, this is the kind of post that could potentially go viral. And the reason it would go viral is if there's lots of movement in the group, and I'm going to be able to interact with the people that are answering. They might say, me, I would, give me the information, something like that underneath. And then I'm going to answer each one individually with the link to click through to register when they answer on those posts. And if I was in a big group that had thousands of people, that would get lots of traction. This is a smaller group. It's only got 500 or so in this particular group. So this may or may not work. I'll do this right here, right now, but I'm going to show you some other ones. Now, why am I not using the pretty picture that I made up in Canva? Well, because if I want the algorithm to take it and to go viral with it, they don't actually like my pretty pictures. They like their own stuff. So this is Facebook's own stuff here. And of course, I could also pick a background here that is just like that, plain. I could pick one that's got, different colors, but this is all their stuff. They like their stuff, right? And if I pick something like this, it's got kind of a caricature of me. This is one way of doing it. And now I'm not actually putting the link in this. When they respond to it, I'm going to give them the link. But that's how I would post that. So something like that. So I just go click post, and that one's going to go up there like so. Now, and that will rest at the top for now. And if I was in a group that had like thousands of people, it might start to disappear down below. And something I can do to make it stay up top is I could get 2 or 3 friends that I could share it with right away and get them to start commenting on it. And then it would stay at the top of the algorithm. So that's something I could do like that. Now, let me show you another one. I'm going to go into the Edmonton Business Network. This is, again, a group that we own. And on this one, I'm going to actually use one of my pretty pictures. So I'll go here, and then I'll click like this, and I've saved some pictures already back here. And maybe I will do like this one here, say Bold, Beautiful, and Business is coming up. And see, now it picks the nice, pretty picture. It's got the website link, blah, blah, blah. But they won't be able to click through on the link. So I want to write into the post, we have a fabulous, bold, or I might even say summit coming up. Would you like to register? And now this one, because it's just going into a different kind of a group setting here, I'm going to this time actually put my link right in it. And I've shortened my link with a bit.ly link so that I can just come in here and add that like that. I might also want to use a hashtag. Like I might use hashtag CIBN. I might use hashtag women in business. See, that has 12 million posts on it. That's a good one. Hashtag, let's see what else is under women. Women, oh, let's get that, move it over a little bit. Let's try that again. Hashtag women, like that. I might do hashtag business, like that. So that kind of thing. So now it's going to show up in different parts of the algorithm. And then I'm going to click post. And it's got my link right in it in that part there. So I might do it like that. And that's a more branded looking one. The thing is, I don't want to do them all exactly the same. I want to move around. Now I'm coming into this one here. This is the Florida Business Networking Group. It's got 112,000 members. First thing I do here is I go check the About section and look for the rules. And apparently they allow us to make posts like this in here. So now again, for this one, I might take a branded one and just do it again. The key here is that I do many different ways, okay? Because I would do 3 or 4 or 5, something like that at once. And then tomorrow I'll do different groups. And another thing to note as you do this is that the groups that you do this in, you have to already have joined them. So it makes sense to go around and join a bunch of groups, as well as you should have a group of your own, but that's a different video to learn how to do that. So anyways, I hope that helps you. I hope that you can see how to do this. You can do it on LinkedIn groups. There's so many different places you can do this, but you should definitely do 3 to 5 at a time. And make sure you put your link in each one as you do it so that people can click through on the link. And then, if a bunch of us do this all at once, this is a great way to promote an event. And of course, using your link, you get rewarded every time you use your link. All right. So I hope that helps you out. And, happy capitalism, and get out there and share your links.